Okay, Sonia. So I'm looking at your sketches, and hopefully by the time you posted, you had looked through some of the other comments and critiques in the discussion board. I left a lot of videos this week. Um, so I want you to take a look through those because what I'm seeing here in your post is I'm seeing a lot of the things that I had mentioned to other students to try to avoid. So hopefully, when you post a little bit later on in the week, go ahead and take a look at the earlier posts just so that you can see what was going on like 2 days ago or whatever. Just so you can avoid any kind of, making the same kind of mistake. So save yourself a step, so to speak. Do you know what I'm saying? So what I'm looking at in your sketches is this. The same kind of thing that I've been talking about, which a lot of students had the same approach. Now, your presentation, I think, is really, really lacking in contrast. And I would definitely have liked to have seen you pump the contrast up in either Photoshop or on your scanner itself, which probably, I don't know if you know how to do it in Photoshop, probably not, but what I'm saying, because we learn stuff like that. So, but on your scanner, you should be able to really pump the contrast up here. If not, go over it with a marker before you scan it. So, because we really can't see what the body holds here, as you can see on my screen. That's basically what I'm seeing. A lot of missing pencil strokes. So, but basically what you have you have these items and they're all basically facing forward, facing the camera, facing the viewer with no real mobility or otherwise any kind of interesting movement or activity going on. So what I want you to do is I want you to pick one of your creatures or start afresh if you want and think about really working some movement into your creature. So let me show you some examples of what we have here for movement. This guy was a little minimalistic approach at this computer critter, and this is just a wonderful composition, and that's why I chose this one to show some really nice interaction between the background, the creature, and the viewer. Really, really nice engagement there. This one here is, this one, it's completely on its own. It's come so far away from that approach where you have the creature just looking into the camera with arms out at its sides, legs stationary. You know what I'm saying? So try to develop look at this one, the toy in the attic that morphed into this evil conglomeration of toys, of Todd's toys that were stuck away in the attic for too many years. Pretty cool stuff here. So that's what I'm kind of getting at is these kind of approaches, okay? So like I said, choose one of yours or start anew and think about really working some movement and think forward a little bit of foresight into the background, if so to speak, if you know what I mean. So start thinking about the interaction with the viewer, the movement of the creature, the interaction with the background, etc. Okay? If you have any questions, give me a holler. Okay, thank you.